In this video, we're going to be adding a rock border to our garden. First, click the Landscape tab and then click Rock Border. Left-click to place points, and this will create the outline of your edging. Right-click to place the last point. You can edit the size of the rocks using this slider or manually input the amount. To change the material of your rock border, click this material image and it will take you to a large selection of different materials. Make your selection and then click OK. Use these sliders to edit the material. Check this box if you would like your rock border to be closed. Check this box for a smoother rock look. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.